say what's best for Loudoun, what's best for the region. When you look at what we're dealing with now, as you know, you're a chair of MBTA, and we've been doing DMV moves. Do you feel as though we are prioritizing appropriately here in this region?
Oh, absolutely. Listen, you know, Northern Virginia is 42% of the population.
Mhm,
And because of that, we have a greater number of people who are working, and that money is going into the Commonwealth pot, so to speak.
mhm.
And so it is important to prioritize things like how people move back and forth to work. How fast can they get back to their families? What's the retail scene? What do we have a great business environment? What is good for Northern Virginia is good for the Commonwealth. And so I prioritize Northern Virginia because I prioritize the Commonwealth. And quite frankly, it doesn't, it hurts me to see Northern Virginia schools that have a 97% graduation rate, and then look at Richmond City or Petersburg schools have a much lower graduation rate. I don't care any less about those children. I want those children to succeed in our Commonwealth and for the common good as well. And whatever I can do in Loudoun County to help someone in another part of the state, I am more than happy to do that.